Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I will walk you through linear equations topic and show you how to tackle all sort of questions on it. So what is linear equations? Linear equations are algebraic equations in which the highest power of the variable is 1. For example, 3x minus 5 equal to 16. Here x is a variable. The power of the variable x is 1. 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Here the power of the variable x and y is 1. Linear equations represent straight lines when graphed on a coordinate plane. 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Let's rewrite this as 3y is equal minus 2x plus 6. Now divide both the side by 3. So we get y is equal to minus 2 over 3x plus 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now this is the equation of a straight line with the gradient minus 2 over 3. This equation has infinitely many solutions, and each solution is a pair x comma y that lies on a straight line when plotted on the graph. How to solve linear equations? Just isolate the variable, usually x, by carrying out the inverse operation on both the sides of the equation. That is, you have to make the variable as the subject. The order in which the inverse operation are carried out is important. Most of the time it is BIDMOS in reverse order. Next, how to solve linear equation with an unknown variable on one side of the equation.
Let's consider this example. Here, in the left hand side, x is multiplied by 3 and 5 is subtracted from that. So the order of operation here is first multiplication and then subtraction. To solve this equation, now apply the inverse operation in reverse order. So what is the inverse operation for multiplication? It is division, and for subtraction it is addition. So we have to do the reverse order. So here it is minus 5, so we have to do plus 5. 3x minus 5, with that add 5 on both the sides. So we get 3x equal to 21. Okay. So next it's a division.
Here 3 is multiplied, so we have to now divide by 3 on both the side. We get this is divided by 3 and this is divided by 3. So x equal to 21 divided by 3 is 7. Now let's solve this example. 8 times 3t minus 9. Here the order of operation is first is a bracket, then inside the bracket it is multiplication and then subtraction. And after the bracket it is multiplied by 8, so multiplication. So what is the inverse operation for these operators? For multiplication it is division, and for subtraction it is addition, and for multiplication division. So the order is first as a division. It is actually multiplied by 8, so here we have to divide by 8. First divide the equation on both the side by 8. So we get 3t minus 9 is equal to 13.5. So here 9 is subtracted, so we need to add 9. Add 9 on both the sides, so we get 3t minus 9 plus 9 equal to 13.5 plus 9. So we get 3t is equal to 22.5. Next, it's division. Divide by 3. So divide by 3. So we get t is equal to 7.5. Let's solve this question. Here inside the bracket, first it's a multiplication and then it is a addition, and outside the bracket again it's a multiplication. So we need to do first division. Divide both the side by 5. We get 2x plus 1 is equal to 27 divided by 5, which is equal to 5.4. Okay. Then we need to do subtraction. Subtract 1. So 2x plus 1 minus 1 equal to 5.4 minus 1, which is nothing but 2x equal to 4.4. Now it's a multiplication here, so we need to do division. Divide by 2. So we get x equal to 2.2. Next, how to solve a linear equation when unknown variable is on both the sides. Let me explain with an example. 3 plus 11p is equal to 10 minus 3p. Here we have the unknown variable p on both the sides. Try to group the terms with p into one side and the constant into another side. Always try to move the smallest coefficient of p is easiest. So here out of 11p and minus 3p is the smallest. To eliminate that, we are going to add 3p on both the sides. So we get 3 plus 11p plus 3p is equal to 10 minus 3p plus 3p. So we get 3 plus 14p is equal to 10. Now we have to bring the constant into one side. So we have to move the number 3 to make p as the subject. Okay. So here it is plus 3. So do subtraction. Now subtract 3 on both the sides. We get 14p is equal to 7. Now we have to make p as the subject, so we need to remove this 14, which is in multiplication, so divide by 14. So 14p divided by 14, and here 7 divided by 14. So we get p is equal to, now divide the numerator and the denominator by 7, we get 1 over 2. So on simplification, we get the value of p as 1 over 2. Let's solve this question. First, let's expand this bracket. 6 times 7 is 42. Minus 6 times 2x is 12x equal to 3x minus So we have to try to group the terms with x into one side and constant term into another side. Let's try to move the smallest coefficient of x, which is negative 12 here. So to eliminate negative 12x, let's add positive 12x on both the sides. Always try to keep the coefficient of the variable positive. So let's add plus 12x. So we get 42 is equal to 15x minus 3. Now we have to make 15x as the subject. So let's remove this negative 3 by adding positive 3 on both the side. So 42 plus 3 is equal to 15x minus 3 plus 3. So we get 45 is equal to 15x. Now to make x as the subject, divide both the side by 15. So 45 divided by 15 is equal to 15x divided by 15. So 45 over 15 gives 3. 3 is equal to x. We can rewrite this as x equal to 3. Try to do these similar question and share your answer in the comment section. Next, how to solve a linear equation when it has a fraction. For example, consider this. First, to eliminate the denominator, multiply by x plus 3. So we get 5 over x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 3 is equal to 3 over x plus 5 times x plus 3. So here this gets cancelled. So we will get 5 is equal to 3 times x plus 3 divided by x plus 5. So we have to eliminate this denominator also, x plus 5. So multiply by x plus 5. X plus 5 on both the sides. Here these two gets cancelled. So we get x plus 5 times 5, which is equal to 3 times x plus 3. Now expand the bracket, we get 5x plus 25 is equal to 3x plus 9. Now this is similar to solving a linear equation when unknown variable is on both the sides. Okay, so now we have to group the term with x. So subtract 3x on both the sides. So we get 2x plus 25 is equal to 9. Now we have to eliminate this 25. So subtract 25. Because it is an addition, you need to subtract. So we get 2x equal to 9 minus 25. Which is equal to negative 16. So 2x equal to negative 16. To make x as the subject, divide both the side by 2. because 2 is in multiplication, so we need to do division. So we get x equal to minus 8. Let's solve one more question. Let's take 5 as the LCM. So we get 15 times 3 minus x minus 2 times x plus 2 divided by 5 equal to 1. Now both the side multiply by 5. So we get 15 times 3 minus x minus 2 times x plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay. Now expand the bracket. So we get 45 minus 15x minus 2x minus 4 is equal to 5. Now combine the like terms. Negative 17x plus 41 equal to 5. Now subtract 41 on both the sides. So we get negative 17x equal to 5 minus 41. So now divide both the side by negative 17 to get the x value. Okay. So 5 minus 41 is negative 36. Divide both the side by negative 17. So we get x equal to, the negative gets cancelled. So there is no common term between 36 and 17. So x equal to 36 divided by 17. Try to solve this question and share your answer in the comment section. I hope you found this video useful. Check out the description box for the links to other iGCSE crash courses and topical solution videos.